We are running the Gifted Hands training program for girls in Lagos, Nigeria. The idea behind Gifted Hands is that we feel that women deserve a place in the device repair industry. We hope that many will kind of use this opportunity to be able to go into find gainful employment or find apprenticeship opportunities. We think that there is a social, economic, and environmental benefits of repair. What we want to do is to be able to continue to find opportunities, for young girls to kind of thrive in the wider ICT industry.
I'm Arusakwe Sylvia. I'm the program coordinator for the Gifted Hands Training Program organized by Policy Lab Africa. The Gifted Hands Training Program is part of our Right to Repair movement campaign, where we are targeting young girls and women to be able to train them on laptop hardware repair. Now, this program is targeted at helping young women and girls to be able to earn a living and also break into the repair and maintenance industry.
I want to use it as a side hustle. I had fun playing around with the tools.
One of the first things I learned here is the courage to open a phone to disassemble totally like this, even beyond this, to bring everything apart and put it back. Also, I learned to recognize the problems and how to solve them.
I learned a lot about this program. I learned how to fix a phone, both the software aspect and the hardware aspect. I can also solder a phone and do some other parts.
Oh, I feel really excited. I feel really invigorated working with them, working on these projects, especially because of the fact that they are women. Women have a propensity to be very detailed, to be very attentive when it comes to things like this. Well, one of the best technicians I know in this industry is a woman. It's going to be a really interesting journey for them.
The Gifted Hands Training Program is part of our Right to Repair movement campaign, where if you own a device, you should be able to repair the device. This program is all about breaking the barrier.
Thank you to our partners that have been supporting us. We plan to even expand to many other locations in Lagos and even outside Lagos. We want to see young women start to earn money of their own and become financially independent.